Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester. Now let's talk about Bonk. Okay, Bonk has just lost the $1 billion market cap valuation. Okay, not great. Okay, not great for Bonk, but it's not the end. And I want to talk to you guys about the Bonk chart as well, because there is a very big opportunity there to make a lot of money. And I'll show you the percentages and the positions that we're going to be looking out for here, whether it's long, whether it's short, on the Bonk chart very shortly. Before we do that, guys, let's do a little overview of Bonk, and then we can look at also a new project that I think is going to make a lot of money. Okay, so as we said, start off with Bonk. Market cap $900 million, underpriced in my opinion. If we look at the all-time high market cap for this asset, it was sailing at around $4 billion. That is roughly just over a 4x from where it is now. So that does pose that there is a massive opportunity here for gains here if we do, well, when we do come back into this sort of alt season that we're all famously waiting for, right? When we do come back into that, a clean 4x on this asset is very achievable. So DCAing into this right now is actually quite a smart investment here for the long haul. Okay, so definitely worth checking out here if you're looking for a nice DCA meme coin there. Now, let's look at the 7-day. What's happening over the last 7 days? As I said, it has gone up a little bit over the last 7 days. Most meme coins have, most altcoin assets have, because Bitcoin dominance dumped down. And you can see 7.34% in the last 7 days. In the last month, is still down roughly around 25%. So it's pretty bleak, but there's still money to be made. Let me show you the money that we can be making right now through trading this asset. Before I do that, guys, I want to talk to you quickly about Best Wallet. Now, Best Wallet offer staking for your investment, and also they're a Web3 wallet that is bridging the gap between Web 2 and Web 3. Unlike MetaMask, unlike Phantom, these guys are better, and I will explain to you why. They've raised $11 million here. And also, they have got a brand new, basically, contactless card that you can install on your phone and pay for your crypto with this, pay for your day-to-day stuff with your crypto using this contactless payment system, okay? So it's exactly like your bank, where you can install your bank onto your phone and pay for everything. It's gonna be the same, but for Best Wallet, but using stable coins as a form of payment. So it's bridging the gap between Web 2 and Web 3, which is, again, super important. We haven't seen this done before, and that is why this pre-sale is raised $11 million, guys. Definitely something you don't want to overlook. The price of this thing is continuously going up. So if you want to get involved, you can. I'll leave a link in the description for that. But this coin is basically being built to support the ecosystem for bridging the gap between Web 2 and Web 3. So it's super interesting as well. Now, they do already have 100,000 users using this project. So again, it's going to probably be quite an aggressive, successful launch is what we're looking for here. And also they are rated 4.5 stars here on the App Store as well. So yeah, many bullish things here. Go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description for Best Wallet for you guys to go check out. Now, back to the Bonk chart. Let's look at Bonk and look at how we can actually make some money here, because I'm sure you guys are super eager to see a trade. Now, you can see we do have an upward sloping parallel channel here. Very simple here. We've got resistance on this area here, resistance on this area here, resistance. That's four levels of resistance here. And it's been quite aggressive, usually pulling us all the way back down to this lower side of this channel, where the support is essentially being formed. Now, that lower side here hasn't actually been tapped since the 18th of March. Now, what does that tell us? It tells us that there is a chance that we could be getting down to this level very soon. The markets are taking a bit of a turn to the downside yet again. It's not the end of the world. It's just fact, okay? Bitcoin's taking a pullback. Most of the altcoins are doing the same thing. Bonk is kind of relaxing a bit. Obviously, we did have a bit of a pullback from this area here, but it's actually holding its own, which is quite nice to see. What I would be looking for a smooth, clean trade for this asset here, it probably would be potentially a 4-hour close between this area, roughly around a 2% move, short position to the downside. That's sort of the unsafe position, just the gamble that I would be looking for here. But you can see if we are going to be weighing up trend lines, weighing up proper TA here, we would probably be doing something along the lines of this, okay? And that basically says that we do have a symmetrical triangle chart pattern from this area that is actually already breaking to the downside. So that indicates price action will fall a bit lower. Now, how low is the question? Down to the 200 EMA is the answer, okay? So that's basically a short position from where we are now all the way down for around 1.3% here. So yeah, super easy position to be getting involved with there. And if you don't want to get involved with any of those positions, which you obviously make your own mind up, it's not financial advice, none of this stuff. The other position I would be looking out for here would be the break of the major moving averages here inside of this chart pattern, okay? And that would look something along the lines of this, okay? All the way down for around 5%. Now, if you do look back in history on the macros, in terms of the macro price action, in terms of the macro higher lows and market structure here, you can see we do have a very strong higher low here for support here from back in February 2024. Now, that area is still super valid for price action, okay? So if we are above that, I don't want to be shorting anything. If we fall below it and get a couple of candle body closes here, that's perfect. I'm really nice for that. And then we can see a lovely 5% move to the downside and continuation probably from there after losing that significant low. So yeah, that is what I would say about that, guys. Let me know what you think of Bonk in the description of this video. And also, don't forget to check out Best Wallet, guys. I'll leave the link in the video. Leave the link in the description to the video for you guys to check that out as well. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.